Wiser decision-making is within our grasp, always. How? Intuition is a part of the broader perspective and greater clarity offered by raised awareness. And a gut feeling backed up by data can support excellent decision-making. Have you ever gotten caught up in overthinking decisions? Awareness can put an end to that. All we need to do is to consciously pause. Breathe slowly and deeply. Breathing can get very shallow when we're thinking, and it's not helpful. The brain functions much better with oxygen, and the deeper our breathing, the better. We can consciously pause to consider both the obvious and the more nuanced aspects of our situations, our intuition, and our gut feelings. Relaxed by our breathing, which helps us to be more grounded and in our bodies, and bolstered by intuitive gut feelings, we stand a far better chance of making decisions from a clearer, calmer, wiser place. In what ways do you bring yourself to an internal space so that you can lead in this way? And if you're not, what's in the way of you diving in and up-leveling your leadership?